JDF Army captain linked to Pathway International Ministries, the then church of Pastor Kevin Smith, booted from the force. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Defense Force, JDF, has parted with Captain Omaine Morgan, who has been linked to the controversial Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in Montego Bay, St. James. Army spokesman Lieutenant Nathan Curtis says that the Defense Board gave approval for Morgan to retire his commission in the force. It took effect on October 27. Curtis has been asked to indicate the reason for the decision. On Tuesday, the JDF announced that it has launched an investigation into allegation that a service member was associated with the church that has captured national attention for the past 2 weeks over a deadly incident at the church. Sources told Links 007 TV News that on the night of the alleged religious ritual on October 17, the Captain Omaine Morgan and a policewoman were in their force-issued uniform when they escorted Pastor Kevin Smith in a BMW SUV from his Coral Gardens home to the Norwood Avenue Church. The captain was said to be the driver while the policewoman sat in the front passenger seat. On reaching the church, the policewoman reportedly exited the vehicle and opened the back door for Smith to get out. It is further reported that the policewoman had been in Montego Bay from 2 days earlier. Soon after the captain left the church, the pastor, who was aged 39, succumbed to injuries in a car crash in St. Catherine on Monday while being escorted to Kingston by the police to be charged with 2 counts of murder of his members. Constable Orlando Irons, aged 26, also died in the crash. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.